What's up, beautiful people? We are day 3 here at Branson, Missouri. We are at Table Rock Nature Preserve. Please excuse me if I mispronounce that. We are on a scenic golf cart tour, which is included in the ticket and the museum. Right now it's a little hot, about 91 degrees, but once we get down into the tree line, it's gonna be shaded and nice and beautiful. Yeah, I mean, and Branson's my co-pilot. Nolan is with Mama in the back seat. If Mama want to drive, Daddy's gonna step on a little bit. Oh man, that's all. I'm flooring it. That's all it's going. I thought it was a go-kart.
Just because we got on the go-kart around.
So we'll check back once we get to some more. Turn the light on, buddy. All right. Okay, co-pilot lights off.
Oh, look at that! Oh my gosh.
Wait, can we stop?
Yeah, he said you can stop anywhere except the cave.
Mama videotaping?
Yeah, I'm videotaping. Oh, it feels
Lights,
nice. Kind of
buddy.
smells.
Oh, it's gonna be cool in the cave.
Can't stop here.
It says, yeah, we are not allowed to get out here.
There you go. I swear, if they add sound up there,
Oh. Hi.
Hello.
Can I get you anything?
This is actually water.
Wow.
Actually, where?
That's a big skeleton.
Alright, Mama's trying this side right.
It's nice and cool.
I wonder how deep that is.
That is so cool.
Oh no! No, I don't think that's pretty good.
What's going on there? Are we gonna see any bats?
Is that water?
Yeah, it's water.
Oh, right here. On my left.
I can't see it.
It is. You should
It's
like
huge,
that.
right?
It's water.
Yeah, I can't see it.
Oh, yeah, she's got one of the
This is the saber-tooth. Yeah, okay. That concludes the cave tour. That was really
Oh, I
cool.
thought we were gonna go
That
up.
was really cool.
Oh, what there?
Look, that's water on the side.
Oh, yeah, that's
There's pigeons above your head.
Oh.
Like, my guy in my house.
Uh-huh.
Alright, lights off. Alright, we're gonna go another. And this is another picture off the screen.
Oh, good.
Yeah, this is where people want to stop and take some pictures. And we'll pull over. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Alright, let me get out. So that is where we came out the cave. That's like a mini cave in there. Damn, boy. Way up there. Huh? What? What'd you say? The one with the water bottle? Okay, go. It's the very last one. Hold on, I need a videotape. Y'all probably got better tapes than I do. Just checking back in. We're gonna cross this beautiful bridge and this waterfall. Look at this. OMG. You can look good.
Look underneath you. Alright, Logan, we're going to be away from the bridge so you can relax. Alright. Okay, see? Now one more bridge. Alright, folks, follow me. We're going to view the most scenic view of Table Rock Lake here. Look at this, God's country. Yeah, no one knew the construction up there. Man.
I don't like this. I'm feeling nauseous.
So, if you're afraid of heights, this is the place not for you. Because looking down, I'm okay with heights, but I can still feel it in my booty hole.
Oh, gross.
Ew.
I'm curious what's the building up there.
Well, why is this lake so big?
Remember that map in our hotel room?
Yeah.
This is part of the lake.